Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
2 more minutes is there for 10:15. We started early.
Yes.
1 minute. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. They are entering. Let them enter. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Exam was easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy. Ah. Okay. So today you want me to discuss the answers of the exam? Or shall we go straight to the remaining addition of
Addition of fractions.
addition of fractions? You don't want to repeat what is done, right? Okay. Okay. And so anyway, any doubts are there? You can ask in any of the answers. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Better we'll do like that. Otherwise,
The question.
sixth question, that is negative 5 into positive 2. That's what, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
That I'll explain. Okay, let me admit everyone. Each one is entering. After that, I'll explain to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah, I'll take the board because now whatever doubts are there in that exam, we can clear it. Anybody have doubt? I'll clear. After that, we'll go for addition of fractions today. Okay. Yeah, 2 people already entered. Now, just tell me whether you can see the screen. You can see the board, no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll change the board blank into blank. Some sound is coming. Who is that?
Mama, Echo is coming.
And not it's not from here. It's from somebody else. Okay, so switch off the speaker. Such problem will not be there. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. So, what was the doubt? Sixth question, isn't it? That was.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do it. -5, -5 into +2, isn't it? +2 divided by -5. Okay, this was the question. So, what was the question? -5 into +2, answer is -10 divided by Negative 5. Two negatives are there, so answer will be
Positive.
Positive.
positive. What? 10 divided by 2? What is the answer? Positive
2.
2. Answer is
Two.
positive 2.
Positive 2.
Oh, 2 is the answer. What is the doubt? Any doubt now? Hmm?
Ma'am,
Ah.
we need to multiply, right?
Yeah. Negative 5 into positive 2. What is the answer? Negative 10.
Negative 10.
That divided by negative 5. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That is, answer is positive 2.
Positive 2.
Any other doubt, children? Any other doubt in that? Questions you
No, ma'am.
remember? One more question you asked the doubt. I told it is distributive property. Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That is using distributive property. If you expand, you will get that. You will be getting that expansion. Correct answer is negative 2100 plus negative 42. That's the correct answer. I'll just do it. Only that. I think remaining was easy, no? Remaining questions were easy. Only
Yes,
this
ma'am.
was a little bit confusing. Those who know that, there is no confusion. Okay. Those who know that there was no confusion. For others, I'll do it. 21 into 102. 21 into 102. We are splitting this using distributive property. So, what we will do? Split this 100 plus 2. So what you will get 21 into this is negative 2100 plus 21 into 2, that is negative 42. That was the option given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is that way also you can expect the whole chapter is meant for checking the properties of integers. Okay, clear children?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the last question, can you explain that?
Last question. Last question was which of the following represents associative property of
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
That is associative property of multiplication.
Ma'am,
Okay.
there was A plus B, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus
That is distributive property.
A into B plus A into C.
That is distributive property. Isn't it? That is distributive. Which of the following represents associative property of multiplication? What is it? A into B into
A
C.
into B
B
plus C.
No.
A
That is
into B.
distributive property.
A
That
into
is
B into C is equal to
A into
A
B plus C is equal to
No.
A
Here.
B into C equals to A into B into C.
Yes. This is the correct answer. Wait. This is the yes.
Mommy, Sai saying you are not letting her in.
I'm in now.
Yeah. I have let her in. A into B into C is equal to A into
A B into B
into
into
C.
C.
No
Into
plus
C.
there.
Into C.
No plus there. That is the associative property. The other one is distributive property. Multiplication is distributive over addition. Okay. That is distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is distributive property. This one is the correct option. Understood? This one is the correct
Yes,
option.
ma'am.
Any other question? Yes. Yes.
Yesterday I sent you one message about their question.
Hello, I can't hear you. Please louder.
Ma'am, yesterday I sent you one message about that question.
Is it Sriram?
No,
Ayan. No, ma'am.
Which
Ayan.
question it was?
Negative 15 plus
Wait,
positive,
I'll check. Negative 15 plus.
positive 16.
Negative 15 plus positive 16. Positive, which was the question? Negative 16, is it? Okay. I understood. I'll tell. The value of negative 5 plus that one, isn't it? Okay. That I will explain. Okay. That also I'll explain. I think by that it is over. Okay. Okay. That the value, find the value of negative 15 plus 16 minus positive 23. This was the question. Plus 9. Okay. This was the question. And we'll see what is the answer. So what did I say? What have I said? First, when addition problem, it's okay. When subtraction comes, first step is you have to change this step. First step, make all addition problems, isn't it? Make the problem an addition problem. So what to do? This is negative 15 plus 16. This one is minus plus. So change the sign and add.
Plus negative 20.
It is so plus
Plus
negative 23
negative 23
plus
23
9.
plus
Isn't it?
9.
Plus 9. So what you will get?
Yes.
15 and 23, what is the answer? Add all the negative first. Isn't it? That's what we do.
Yes.
Plus 16 plus 9. That's what we do. So
39.
15, this one is minus 38.
39. 38.
38. Isn't it?
8
30 minus 38 plus
Yes.
this one is 25.
plus 25.
25. So what is it? Find the difference and put the sign of
Negative
the
13.
Negative 13.
So answer is negative 30.
Negative 13.
Yes.
Okay. Answer is negative 30. Clear, children?
Yes. Negative 13.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the question. That was the question. And answer is negative 30. Okay. Okay. Now, any other? I don't think anything. Remaining was easy, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, shall we pass on to addition? That next chapter. Not
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
We have the next topic. What is that? We have to start with. I think addition of fractions. Isn't it? Addition of.
We discussed about
addition.
stuff like fraction and like subtraction also. Subtraction of like and unlike fractions.
Only that. Addition
Up to
also
that.
that
Yes,
is addition basics we explained. Okay. In
Yeah.
the note you need not write that basics. I just started from the beginning. Okay. The topic we have to study is a mixed fraction. That is addition and subtraction of mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Okay. So let us take some examples and do it. Let us take some examples of mixed fraction and we can do the questions. You know how to do that, isn't it? How to do mixed fraction? You have to change. Yes. Yes. Okay. Miss Ziad. Okay, so yeah, I can write. Now, shall we see what did we do for subtracting or adding to mixed fractions? What we used to do?
Convert into improper
Have to
fraction.
convert into
Improper fraction.
After that, we used to add or subtract. So let us see some questions like that. Okay. So the heading will be this one: addition and subtraction of addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Mixed fractions. Addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. So, yeah, addition. Now just take one subtraction problem. Rule is same, whatever it is, addition or subtraction. 8.5 minus 3 and 5 by 8. Do it. Can you do? First, you have to convert into improper fraction. Do it improper fraction. You convert into improper fraction. 8 into 2, 16. Plus 1, 17. Isn't it? Yes. 17. So, 17 by
2.
17 by 2 minus 3 into 8, 24.
24
plus 5,
29 by 8. 29 by 8.
Now you have to subtract. So before that, see the LCM.
LCM we should make it correct. 8 to 16.
So we have to make the denominator same. So what is the LCM? Can you tell me what is the LCM?
16.
And
Wait. When common factor is there, you have to find the LCM. Okay. Lowest common multiple. Either you can write using the column, you can find out, or simply you think. Simply you think, what is the common multiple of 2 and
Ma'am,
8?
10 to
4.
10
Lowest
into
common
10
multiple.
2.
No, see,
10
2.
8.
8.
Because what is the meaning of common multiple? See, I'll say 15 is a common multiple of 3 and 5 because I'll get 3 into 5, I can get 15. Okay, by multiplying 3 with one number, I will get 15. And by multiplying 5 with another number, I am getting 15. And that is the lowest common multiple. If I say lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 50. Like that, with the 2, which is among this, which is the lowest common multiple, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So lowest common multiple is 8. Otherwise, you cannot think like that. So find out the LCM. 2 and 8, that is the number. So just find out the LCM with the 2, divide 1, 2 4s are 8. Again 2, with 1 it won't go. So write 1
Two.
itself. 2.
1 1.
Then again with 2, till you get 1 1, you divide. That you have studied, no? Prime factorization.
Yes, ma'am.
Last year. So 2 into, see, 2 into 2 into 2, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 8 is the LCM.
8.
LCM is 8.
8.
You can follow this method because always it is not possible to think like that.
39 by 8.
And 39 by
39 by 8.
So you
39
get
by
LCM
8.
8. Okay, 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. So what is LCM? 8. So just multiply it by 4, isn't it?
4,
Both you can multiply by, sorry,
4.
2 into 4 it comes.
Ma'am, don't rub.
No. I rubbed the wrong answer. So, okay. So we have 2 into 4 also. And I will rub this side, otherwise I cannot write.
8 by 8.
I'm 39 by 8.
Yeah.
39 by 8.
Rub it.
39 by
Then
8.
write. Okay. So you will get the answer as
68 by 8.
68
by 8.
And the other one 29. What will you do? Into 1, isn't it?
Yes.
1 by 8. Denominator is 8. So no need to multiply with anyone. 29 by 8.
8.
So what we are asked to do? Subtraction.
Subtract.
So we subtract 68
68
by 8
minus 29 by 8.
29 by 8.
29 by 8. What is the answer you are getting?
39
39 by 8.
9 by
You will
8.
be getting 39 by
9 by 8.
39 by 8.
8.
Now, as the question is in mixed fraction, you can change it into mixed fraction by dividing. Okay, divide and find out what is the mixed fraction representing it.
39 divided by 8. I'm 9 4 by 8.
You can write 8 into 4 is 32, no?
Yeah.
So you can take 4, maximum you can take 4, no? 8 into 4, 32.
4 7 by 8.
Good.
4 7 by
7 by 8.
4 and 7 by 8.
Yeah.
Okay. 4 and 7 by
8.
4 and 7 by
4 7 by 8.
4 and 7 by
4 7 by 8.
Okay.
7 by 8.
Okay. I'll give you another problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it yourself. Do it yourself. I'll give another one. Did you copy, all of you? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give in the notes these. See, all of you write down this question. I'm not going to give this question in the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Only
Okay, ma'am.
homework will be based on this. In the question, in the note, you will be writing another problems, which I'll give you directly. I'll be giving in the WhatsApp another problem. This one is for simple questions for practicing. So write down in your rough book. You need not write in the note. You do it now. Okay. You do it now. and get me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll rub this. Erase all. Okay, please switch off the speakers. We don't want any speakers here. And select another light color. Otherwise, it will not be visible. Okay, then now do this one. 2 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and half. Do it.
Ma'am, 37 by 6.
What is the answer?
37 by 6.
7 by 6.
Ma'am, 37 by 6.
37 by 6. You can make it the
Fraction.
mixed
Ma'am,
fraction.
6,
Yeah.
6
So
1
what
by
will you
6.
get?
Ma'am, 6 1 by 6.
6 1 by 6.
6 1 by
6
6.
1 by 6. Okay. So let us, what is the answer? 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus
8 by 3 plus 7 by 2.
Okay.
2.
So LCM you will get 6.
6.
6 is the LCM and 8. So each one you have to bring to the LCM. 8 by 3 multiply by 2. Okay. So 16 by 6. Then this one 7 by 2 into 3. So what you will get? 21 by 6. Isn't it? What is the question? Plus. So 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6.
37 by
You get 37 by 6. When you divide
6 1 by 6.
6 times,
6 1
you
by
will
6.
get 1.
6 1 by 6.
So 6
1 by
and
6.
7 1 by
1 by 6 is
6
the
1 by
correct.
6.
6 and 1 by 6 you will get the correct answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
It is
ma'am.
easy.
No,
Easy.
ma'am.
One more problem.
No, ma'am.
One more problem. After that, I'll
Yeah, ma'am.
explain with the this pen drive or P. Okay. Yeah. Next one is this. Try this question. 12 and 1 by 2 plus 10 and 2 by 3.
We have to do it
12
now.
and 1 by 2 plus 10 and 2 by 3.
We have to do.
You do it. Do it. Find out the answer and tell me. Do it fast. Okay. Nelvin, switch on your video. Nelvin. Yeah.
Ma'am, 160 by 6. 160 by 6.
160 you are getting. Check once more.
By 2.
Yes.
139 by 6.
That is the correct
139 by
answer.
6.
139. 139 by 6 you will get.
139 by
12
6.
into 2, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 plus 10 into 3, 30 plus 2, 32. 32 by 3. Isn't it? So what is the LCM? LCM you will get 6.
Ma'am, in the form of mixed fraction, it is
23 1 by 6.
Yeah, so 6. So bring the LCM into 25 by 2. Multiply by 3, isn't it?
Yes.
Bring both the denominators same. So what will you get? 25 into 3, 75, isn't it?
Yes.
Rub it. Okay. Yeah. 25 into 3, 75 by 6. What is the next one? 32 by 3
2 by 3 into 2.
2, isn't it? So what will you
So
get?
64 by
64 by
6.
6.
Now what is asked? Plus.
plus.
Addition.
So
So
64 by 6
75 by
plus
6
75
plus
plus
64 by
by
6.
6.
How did you get another answer for this?
1.
So what is the answer you are getting?
139 by 6.
9 by
139 by 6.
okay. So you convert it into mixed fraction as
Answer is 23
22
1 by 6.
yes
23 1 by 6.
1 by 6. Correct.
23 1
Answer
by
is
6.
23 1 by
1 by 6.
By
1 by
6.
6.
1 by 6.
that is the correct answer. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
think this is easy for you. This is easy
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
okay. Now we'll do some problems with the three uh, sums. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
three different
ma'am.
fractions you have to do.
So we will do the same method, right?
Same method, same method. Whether subtraction, you cannot change the order. Okay. Addition, you can change the order. If I write 12 and a half plus 10 and 2 by 3, if I am writing, suppose if I am writing, is instead of this, if I write, is equal to 10 and 2 by 3 plus 12 and 1 by 2. Okay. But if
get
the
the
question
same
was
answer.
subtraction, you cannot change the order like this. You have to do the same. If this was minus, I cannot write like this. This is wrong. You will get another answer. Okay. So
Addition we can do.
addition, you can add in any order, but subtraction, you cannot add the fractions or any number. You subtract, answer will be different. Okay. So you cannot change the order in the case of subtraction. In the case of addition, you can change the order. Okay.
Okay.
Whether it is 3 or 4 numbers come, fractions come, you can add in any order, but subtraction, you should not do like that.
Okay.
So, yes. Hello, speakers, you switch off. Switch off the speakers. When you have to speak, only you just take it. Okay. Okay. So let us. I'll revise.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you say once more? My connection was cut.
Who is it?
Anand.
Anand, we are going to. We have done addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. That's all. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction.
Ma'am, you told mixed fractions, you told 2-3 numbers together.
2-3 numbers together. In the case of addition, you can change the order and add anyway. But if subtraction problems come in fraction, you cannot change the order. That's all. If you change the order, answer will be different. Isn't it?
Ma'am, can you give an example?
In the case of numbers also, it is same, no? In the case of numbers, if it is 3 minus 2, if I change it to 2 minus 3, what happens? Answer is different, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anand,
Yes,
are you hearing me? Same way in fraction, 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3. If I change it to 4 by 3 minus 3 by 2, what happens? Answer is different, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if it is plus 3 by 2 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all I said.
Okay.
Now, next we'll see. Just wait. Okay. Now, whatever we discussed, just revise once more. Okay. Just see addition and
Okay, ma'am.
subtraction of mixed fraction. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you can see, no? Should I zoom it out a little more, zoom out?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yellow is the best color.
No, ma'am.
Fine.
No,
So
ma'am.
addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. To add and subtract mixed fraction, we first convert them into improper fraction. That's what we did before. We converted into improper fraction and unlike fractions to like fractions if necessary. Finally, we add, subtract or subtract the two fractions according to the question. If it is to add, we will add. If it is to subtract, we will subtract. That's the meaning. Okay. First step is to convert it into improper fraction. So let us check this question, how it is done. See, 1 and 3 by 8. Just make it change it into improper fraction. Now again, this one also, the same way, changed into improper fraction. Third one also, we changed into improper fraction. Then what did we do? See this, find the LCM of all the denominators, isn't it?
Ma'am, this is notes, right?
Yes.
This is the note. This is the note. We are not going to two numbers addition and all because two numbers addition because it is all you have studied in 6th standard, no? Addition of fractions you have studied already. So we'll directly go to this.
Yes, ma'am.
But I have explained to you all, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not
class,
recording.
after writing homework, we should write this.
See, homework, actually, during exam, you need not give any stress to the homework. Whenever you are free, do some exercises of the questions which I have given. After completing all the exams, all your periodical test, I'll be asking you, write it as an assignment together. Clear, children? Today also I'll be giving some problems
Okay, ma'am.
based
Okay,
on
ma'am.
this. Based on this, I'll be giving some problems that you have to write in a paper as an assignment together after your, it should be ready after your periodic test. So in between, whenever you get time, you solve it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's what that's why I'm not asking about homework now. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Because of your test.
Okay, ma'am.
When is it? 28th it is getting over, right?
27.
27th.
Monday.
27th. So you can
One more day.
one more day. So finish the problems which I have given after that day. Okay. I'll be asking you by Thursday.
Ah.
By
Yes, ma'am.
Thursday,
Okay.
I'll ask.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
complete
Okay,
all the
ma'am.
problems. So LCM. So from the beginning, what did we do? We just converted into improper fraction each one, right? And we took the
LCM.
denominators, LCM of all the denominators. You know to find the LCM, no? Last year you
Yes,
studied.
Ma'am.
LCM of 8, 3 and 12. See, I started with 2. Then 2 4s are 8. 3 is not divisible. So anybody have doubt, please listen for finding LCM. 3 is not divisible by 2. So we just brought down 3. Then 2, 6 are 12. Now next is 2, 2s are 4. 2 is 3 is not divisible. We brought down 3. Then 2, 3s are 2, 3s are 6. Then 3, again 2 is not divisible, so we brought down 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Then again, what I used to do is, I used to ask students to divide till you get 1, 1, 1 at the end.
No.
So 2, 1, 1, 1. You can write like that. Then you multiply all this. That will be-
LCM.
Okay. So what you will get, see, same thing is done here.
24.
It is not
24.
answer is
24.
24. So we got LCM 24 here. LCM 24.
24.
Now we have to bring all the, as this is mixed fraction, LCM, with the LCM we have to make all the this one 11 by 8. See, this is 11 by 8. So 11 by 8 into, we brought the denominators to 24. Okay, see the step, 3 into 8, 24 we brought, 2 into 12, 24. Now you can see all the fractions are out, all the numbers are out of 24, isn't it? All the fraction, denominator of all the fractions, we changed to 24. That means it is out of 24. So we can add. That's what is done here. Is it clear? Same steps which we have discussed with two fractions. Same procedure is followed when we take 3 fractions also. So, but LCM we have to find together. That's the change. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, I'll just give you this question. Can you try?
Yes. Yes.
So when I time is up. So what you have to do is when I give this question, don't look at the answer. You try yourself in the rough book. Okay? You have to try yourself in the rough book.
After we are getting
You
135
need
divided.
not listen. When I give the notes, you need not copy all the steps and all. You already know what you are doing. So just do it in your note. Okay? Simply don't copy everything in there. You can do it. Do the problems in your note yourself. Okay? Yeah.
Ma'am, 135 divided by 24, we found the least form, right?
It is.
45 by 8.
That is 45 by 8. Cut short. They have reduced it. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
By common factor.
Simplest form.
Find out.
Form.
You just do it. Okay.
Simplest form.
Then divide it. Okay. Just
Okay, ma'am.
just
Okay,
try
ma'am.
out. Try out.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
an assignment means I have to write in A4 sheet.
Now no need. You write together in a paper. That is it. A4 sheet is not needed. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Because this is only because of this exams I have given. I will take it as an assignment.
Okay.
An assignment anyway you have to do. I'll take it as an assignment. That's all. Clear?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
In,
Thank
in
you,
your-
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then so many questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I think what is the time given to you? 11:25.
25. 25.
These problems will take later. Okay. These problems will take later. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So I don't think I can give you the notes just together as a PDF. So today you study for your exam. Later I'll give the notes next time because everything is together. Yeah. So
Please call her mother, Angelia.
Not me.
Ah.
Ma'am, it's not me.
you switch off the speakers. I have to explain some problems. Okay. So I'll give you the note next day only. Because
Okay,
only
ma'am.
one slide I cannot give the notes. Okay. So bye children.
Thank you, ma'am.
11:20.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.